The ESP32 is a small, powerful computer on a chip. It's like the brain of your smartphone but much smaller and cheaper. This makes it perfect for all sorts of electronics projects. You can use it to build robots, control lights, or even create your own weather station. The ESP32 is popular because it's easy to use and very versatile. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so you can connect it to the internet or other devices wirelessly. This opens up a world of possibilities for your projects. At the heart of the ESP32 is its CPU, or Central Processing Unit. Think of it as the brain of the chip. It handles all the calculations and instructions. The ESP32's CPU is very capable, allowing it to run complex code and multitask. To store data and instructions, the ESP32 has different types of memory. RAM, or random access memory, is like a whiteboard. The CPU uses it to store information it needs quickly. The ESP32 has a decent amount of RAM, allowing it to handle multiple tasks smoothly. ROM, or read-only memory, is like a book. It stores information permanently, even when the power is off. This is where the ESP32's operating system and other essential programs live. GPIO pins are like the arms and legs of the ESP32. They allow it to interact with the outside world. GPIO stands for General Purpose Input-Output. This means you can use them to send and receive digital signals. Each pin can be configured as either an input or an output. An input pin is like an ear, listening for signals. You can connect sensors to input pins to gather information about the environment. An output pin is like a mouth, sending out signals. You can connect LEDs, motors, and other actuators to output pins to control their behavior. By controlling these pins, you can make the ESP32 interact with the real world in countless ways. The ESP32 is a master communicator. It can talk to other devices in many ways. It supports common communication protocols like SPI, I2C, and UART. These protocols let you connect the ESP32 to other chips and sensors. For long-distance communication, the ESP32 has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can connect it to your home network or directly to other devices. This makes it perfect for Internet of Things (IoT) projects where devices need to communicate with each other and the internet. Whether it's talking to a nearby sensor or sending data to the cloud, the ESP32's communication features make it incredibly versatile. Section 5. Wireless Wonders Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The ESP32's Wi-Fi capabilities are, well, pretty impressive. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, giving you flexibility and speed. You can connect it to your existing Wi-Fi network, or create its own access point. Bluetooth is another powerful feature. The ESP32 supports both Bluetooth Classic and Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE. This lets you connect to a wide range of devices, from smartphones to headphones to fitness trackers. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the ESP32 can send and receive data wirelessly, opening up a world of possibilities for your projects. Section 6. Power in your hands. Advantages of ESP32. The ESP32 is a popular choice for makers and developers for several reasons. First, it's incredibly affordable, making it accessible to hobbyists and professionals alike. Second, the ESP32 is very powerful for its size. Its dual-core CPU and ample memory allow it to handle complex tasks with ease. Third, the ESP32 is very well documented and supported. There are countless resources available online, including tutorials, example code, and forums where you can get help from the community. This makes it easy to learn and get started with the ESP32. Section 7. From smart homes to wearables, ESP32 in action. The ESP32's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. In smart homes, it can control lights, appliances, and security systems. Its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities allow it to communicate with other smart devices and smartphones. In industrial settings, the ESP32 can monitor sensors, control motors, and automate tasks. Its small size and low power consumption make it ideal for use in remote or battery-powered devices. The ESP32 is also becoming increasingly popular in wearable devices, thanks to its low power consumption and small form factor. From fitness trackers to smartwatches, the ESP32 is enabling a new generation of connected devices. Section 8. Getting started. Your ESP32 journey begins. Getting started with the ESP32 is easier than you might think. There are many development boards available that make it easy to program and interface with the chip. Some popular options include the ESP32 Dev Kit C and the Adafruit Feather ESP32. You'll also need to choose a programming language and environment. The Arduino IDE is a beginner-friendly option, while more experienced developers might prefer using ESP-IDF or MicroPython. Once you have your hardware and software set up, you can start exploring the world of ESP32 programming. There are countless resources available online to help you get started. Section 9. The future is connected. ESP32's growing impact. The ESP32 is more than just a microcontroller, it's a gateway to the exciting world of connected devices. Its affordability, power, and ease of use are empowering makers, hobbyists, and professionals alike to create innovative solutions across various fields. As the Internet of Things continues to expand, the ESP32 is well positioned to play a pivotal role. Its ability to connect seamlessly to the Internet and other devices opens up endless possibilities for creating smarter homes, cities, and industries. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting your journey into the world of electronics, the ESP32 offers a powerful and accessible platform to bring your ideas to life.